The Duke of Sussex plunged the royal family into crisis this year as he acknowledged his relationship with William is now strained with the pair on different paths. The pair are unlikely to see a lot of each other this year as they live on opposite sides of the Atlantic, especially now Harry and Meghan are adjusting to life with their newborn daughter Lilibet Diana. Royal expert Ingrid Seward said she does not think Harry and William will make up by the time they are expected to meet up for the unveiling event for a statue for their mother on what would have been her 60th birthday in July. She told Express.co.uk, "I am sure Harry will be there and put on a good show with William. You can't repair a relationship overnight, so whether they try or not remains to be seen." It was also recently reported the brothers may give separate speeches at the event as their strained relationship may not be repaired in time. A source told The Sun, "They will both move heaven and earth to be there." They commissioned the statue together. It is very important for them. There is, of course, hope the memory of Diana can repair their relationship, but that seems a long way off right now. The brothers will be physically together for the ceremony but want to make their own personal addresses. You might have thought they'd go for a joint statement and speech, but that's not the case. Each has insisted on preparing their own. It is a big concern that their body language will suggest all is not well and they won't present a united front. Meghan is also unlikely to travel with him and could instead stay in the US with Lilibet and their 2-year-old son Archie. The Queen is also not expected to attend so that she doesn't overshadow the two brothers. Another source said, "She feels this is William and Harry's event and would not want to overshadow them." It comes after Harry told Oprah that he felt let down by his father and that there's a lot of hurt that's happened between them. He also added his relationship with his brother William was spaced, but he loved him to bits. Harry said, "As I've said before, I love William to bits. H is my brother. We've been through hell together. I mean, we have a shared experience. But we're on different paths." The relationship is space at the moment. And time heals all things, hopefully. The Duke also added he felt trapped in the royal family and shared his compassion for William and Charles being unable to leave their roles. He said, "My father and my brother, they are trapped. They don't get to leave. And I have huge compassion for that." The Queen issued a statement saying while some recollections may vary, the issues would be taken very seriously, but dealt with privately as a family.